To check your transaction history on Snapchat, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open a Settings menu. This is where you can find various options related to your account. Step 4. Select Snapcash or Payments. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Snapcash or Payments option. Tap on it to view your payment settings and transaction history. Step 5. View Transaction History. In the Snapcash or Payments section, you should see an option to view your transaction history. Tap on it to see a detailed list of all your transactions made through Snapchat. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Snapchat. If you have any issues, consider checking the Snapchat support page for further assistance.